Hey MSA, how's it going? So this week the plan is that we're going to do some review all week long, a couple different review projects, and then we'll have the test this coming up Monday. So not obviously not today, but next Monday. So Monday morning, the plan is that you are going to do a review that's a slightly different format. Basically, you're going to be given all of the answers to all the questions, but you're not going to know which one is going to go with which. So you have to pick out which answer is the right one and show your work to show how you got it. Then in the afternoon, you're going to create a story problem using a position time graph or a position graph. Position would be like the one with the bear where like it moves around, so you can do like north, south, east, west instead of time versus distance. It's got to involve all the stuff that we've studied so far, and yeah, and then you're actually going to solve those. Like we're all going to solve those together on Wednesday. Wednesday morning, you're going to have a bit more time just to work on that review, get anything done that needs getting done. And then something cool is that the best problems that we get from each class are going to end up on the real test. So some incentive to do something cool there. And yeah, that's the plan. So make sure you get anything that's missing, make sure you get it in pretty soon, and we'll see you soon.